Good morning. It's Monday, January 15th, 2024. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. On this day of service will be a cloudy one with showers moving in and big changes as far as cold weather is concerned over the next couple of days. Checking out the radar at 627. That is not rain in North Georgia, just very dense cloud cover, but just checking the current conditions in Gainesville, where we have the strongest of the reflectivity, just looking at overcast conditions. As we take a look at the satellite imagery, we can see the clouds mainly north of I-20, so we have kind of a blanket there, and that does impact the temperatures significantly. We have temperatures mainly warmer in North Georgia compared to South Georgia this morning. Mid to upper 30s, some 40s in parts of North Georgia. Then we look down in South Georgia with those clear skies. 30 degrees in Albany. It's 32 over in Statesboro. So, actually cooler in some spots in South Georgia as we get started this morning compared to North Georgia. We do have a couple of advisories, a winter storm warning to talk about as well. Extreme northwest Georgia bordering Tennessee with that winter storm warning. So whatever snow accumulation we see, it's going to be very, very far in North Georgia, not really spilling down very far south at all. But we do have a winter weather advisory, and that is covering parts of North Metro Atlanta and parts of the North Georgia mountains as well. So maybe a little bit of a dusting tonight. Freezing rain will be our main concern as we move through the late night hours tonight into tomorrow morning. And then Southwest Georgia, hard freeze watch. That goes into effect tomorrow night, as those cold temperatures will be pushing well down into South Georgia. Here's the blend of models as far as our snowfall forecast is concerned. I know a lot of people on the internet going wild talking about all the snow moving into Georgia. It just is not going to happen. We're going to see just a trace in extreme northwest Georgia. That'll be about it. If you want to see snowfall, you're going to have to go up into Tennessee and even parts of northern Alabama. We'll see some pretty good snow as we continue through the day today all the way into tonight. And we can see there's just kind of a wall here in Georgia as that snow belt moves in closer. It pretty much melts the state line. That doesn't rule out a little bit of a wintry mix up in Dade County, Walker County, extreme northwest Georgia, and maybe up in the North Georgia mountains. But continuing into this afternoon, we're just going to be watching that line right there at the border pretty much. And we can see that wintry mix starting to slide down into northern Alabama. Southeast Georgia will see a few pop-up showers here and there along the Georgia coastline, but that's going to just kind of fade out as we continue through the evening hours. Moving into tonight, again, mainly rain. We could see a little bit of a mix through the evening and overnight hours tonight for parts of North Georgia and even stretching down into Rome, possibly down toward Carrollton through the overnight hours. And then tomorrow morning, there's that main line. Look at that wintry mix down in Mobile, Alabama, but it just doesn't quite make it into Georgia. LaGrange up to Thomaston may see a little bit of a mix. Other than that, we're just looking at some showers, part of that frontal boundary pushing through. That continues to move through tomorrow afternoon. On the backside, that's much colder air. It's going to be very windy as well, so temperatures falling through the day tomorrow. Most of Georgia, mainly to the northwest of Macon, we'll see our high temperature early in the day and then temperatures falling as we continue through the afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow night, we'll start to turn very cold, still very breezy, and then temperatures falling through the overnight hours. We'll see those close to single digits in parts of North Georgia, but teens throughout a good part of the state. And then as we head through Wednesday, we'll see a little sunshine. That will try to warm us up just a bit, but won't do a whole lot for us. It's going to be another cold one Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.